Hey everyone, welcome to Cyber-Theo. Today, I'll show you how to enable Incognito Mode on YouTube quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your smartphone and make sure you're signed into your account. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen to open the account menu. In the account menu, you'll see an option labeled Turn on Incognito. Tap on it to enable Incognito Mode. Once Incognito Mode is activated, you'll see a confirmation message, and your profile icon will change to an incognito icon. You can now browse without your activity being saved. To exit Incognito Mode, simply tap the incognito icon at the top right and select Turn off Incognito from the menu. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Incognito Mode on YouTube. For more quick tech tips, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cyber-Theo.